My name is Brendan. I'm a Phase 5 apprentice here at Major Equipment in Ballyhauns, County Mayo. The apprenticeship I'm doing is mechanical automation and maintenance fitting. The R&D department where I am at the minute has probably been the favourite because there's a great variety in the type of work that you'll be doing. Anything from welding and fabricating to lathe work and final assembly. Recently we went to the Lama show in Birmingham, so I didn't really expect that when I started the apprenticeship that we'd be able to go on trips.
My name is Sean. I'm a mechanical automation maintenance fitter and I'm in Phase 5. Well, I spent some time making the tri-deck cyclone, and that's actually a prototype that's going out to America now next month, so that'll be interesting. If anybody was in leaving cert and they were thinking about going for an apprenticeship, I'd say go for it. It's a great learning experience. Well, you're learning new stuff every day and you're working with all these different people and you're earning while you're working.
Earning and learning, it's a good opportunity for anyone that's not sure where they want to go after school. It's a confusing minefield when you get out of school and you can't figure things out.
I was over in Texas last year fixing updates on a 920 Cyclone that was over there working in the field, so it was that was a very interesting and enjoyable experience.
If you think you're hands-on and you think you want to try different things and learn how to fabricate a tanker or whatever, definitely go for it. You only get one shot, try it.